Start.
We are making the macaroni and cheese, and watch out for our show. We are having a show named Macaroni and Cheese Monica Pasta. That's it we have. We're going to make it now. We're going to start it. We have a boil of pan with half a cup of water. With that half a cup of water, we're going to take it and put these. These are fresh macaronis with cheese with it. And it takes these much. There is these much for each one. 99 people for a person. We're supposed to have some calories. Calories are 272. And then we take those stuff to eat. We're going to make it now. We're going to take that to boil for a second. So we have to lower the heat a little bit. Can you lower the heat?
It's fine. That's okay.
Yeah.
Now can you open the box please? You have to open the box, right?
How do we open it? And we're supposed to have that box. We're going to open that box right now. We are having the open box to have it eaten. Because we have the box and we're going to eat it.
We are going to cook it.
We're going to cook it and eat it. And then we're going to have lots of fun. And we'll eat for 3 people. We're going to have our fun too. You could have. Are you going to eat it? And we're having the cheese here. And the cheese is made of here. Right here is the cheese. The cheese is a little bit for a person. That's okay if you don't have much. It's okay.
Yeah, go ahead. You can put it there. Go ahead.
Oh. And then these cheese are
So what is the process now?
What is the process?
Yeah. So what are the steps?
The steps are until here.
Okay.
Until here.
Okay. Now what you're going to do with that?
Until that goes little bit boiling up.
You can put it now.
If it boils little bit upper and it gets like boiler, I will need a spoon and I will mix it and then I will put it in. So here we go. Mix. And here we go. You have to move. We're gonna take this show to have it go. We're gonna get the spoon. We will get this to mix. Good. Boil.
Put that pasta in there now. Monica, macaroni. Put that macaroni in the water now.
Okay.
Don't put everything, okay? Just do it like this.
Enough. We are having these two to mix. And here we go to mix.
So how it looks?
It looks a little bit dusty. That's okay because it's a macaroni. It's going to cook.
Okay. Look here.
And we're going to make these macaronis to cook.
So how long you have to wait now?
We have to wait for, let me see.
How long you have to wait? It just started, right?
Yeah.
Do you know how many minutes or it has to boil? How do you know it's cooked or not?
We will know if it's cooked. When
Okay, and then after that, what you have to do?
We have to put the cheese, what I showed you.
In the water?
No, not in the water first. We take the water out.
Okay.
And then when we take the water out, we have to mix it a little bit so it will get combined.
And then what else you have to put in the pasta?
In the pasta, we put a little bit cheese inside.
And a little bit milk?
Yeah, and butter.
Oh, butter also?
Yeah.
Oh, is that liquefied butter okay?
Yeah. A little bit liquefied butter is okay. But not too much. Too much liquefied butter is not okay.
So you want to take a break now?
Yeah, we're going to take a break and here we go. I'm going to keep an eye on these.
And then you will be right back, right?
Yeah, we're going to be right back in 30 minutes meal.
One eternity later.
Look at me, you have to put that to me. We took these to cook little bit for little time. I'm sorry we had a break too long. But it was too hot, so we're gonna make it cool down with a little butter. So we're gonna take the butter over here. And now we're gonna take the butter here. Up here is the butter. There the butter is. Up there. So we don't have butter, we're going to take milk. Here is the milk. And you remember I said for little cheese in it. Little cheese. So melted little bit cheese. So here we go. These are cheeses. And look at our cheese. Our cheese is until this much date. And we're supposed to finish it. So one thing we do is open the milk and get the milk to soak up. To soak up so we could put it nice and good. And here we go to put it in. And then we put a little bit more. So then we put the cheese. These kind of we have to put everything. We have to put it.
Not everything.
Yes. Then we put a little bit cheese. Mama, do we have to?
Just stir it up and see how big. How do you need more or what? Move it.
Yes, we do need more.
Move it. Move it. नाही लागणार बेटा बाद झालं तर कमी आहे शेव.
Put the whole thing.
No, whole thing you don't need whole thing. Hey, you don't need that.
So we're going to mix it.
Mix it now. That's it. Done. Correct?
And we're going to take a ball and put it in. Ready? Here we go for the pasta. For a little side. It's my turn.
Bas, throw the throw. So what are you going to close on now? So is your pasta ready now?
Not yet. We just need to have our table fixed.
हे इकडे बघ.
So here we go. If you get the plastic one, it's good. That because if you get the plastic, you will not feel hot. So this is for the this is for a kid. So it's supposed to be plus. An inch. For the inch of this, for the big one's supposed to be little. That's because it's for the grown-up. Grown-up doesn't eat most. The little kid eats most. So these going to be most. Have a good show. We're having a day to get the ones. And here we go. So, goodbye. We're going to have the deer. And this is our show. Goodbye. If you want to have these, just get some more and have a go. Just goodbye. Send it to Rachel Ray. Hello. And goodbye. I am Monica. And I'm from America. So these shows are California and America. So we go lots of places. And that's it. Goodbye.